Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited because I get to share with you one of the spoilers from the upcoming Spring 2021 Goldie Boxed. Goldie Boxed is a quarterly beauty and lifestyle subscription similar to CosBox or FabFitFun, but there are some really cool differences about Goldie Boxed. The box was started by Jessica from Everything Proof Beauty here on YouTube. Jessica subscribes to a lot of subscription boxes, and she got some really cool ideas for things to do with her box based on some things that she really didn't like about some of these other subscription boxes. One of the things is this is not a one-size-fits-all box. You have 4 different options as far as pricing and the number of customizations you get. First is the Bronze Bear box. You get 3 customizations as a Bronze Bear and then 1 bonus Bronze Bear item. That box is $29.99 a box. The next level is Silver Bear box. Silver Bear gets to choose 5 customizations. Then they get the Bronze Bear bonus plus a Silver Bear bonus. That one is $44.99 a box. The next one is Gold Bear box. Gold Bears pay $59.99 a box. They get 7 customizations, plus they get the Bronze Bear bonus, the Silver Bear bonus, and a Gold Bear bonus. Then, if you really don't care about customizations, you can get Surprise Bear. That is a box of 3 surprise items in the box for $21.99. Another great thing about Goldie Box that sets it apart from any other subscription box I know of is with most customization boxes, you have levels that you can choose from. Level 1 has 2 to 3 items in it. You have to pick one of those. Level 2 has 2 or 3 more items in it. You have to pick one of those. If you don't like anything in level 1, it's too bad. Got to pick something. If you like 2 things in level 1 and nothing in level 2, that's too bad too. You got to pick something from level 1 and something from level 2. Goldie Boxed is not like that. You get to choose all your customizations from all the different choices. I think that is a great way to do a subscription box. The only downside is you may run out of one thing if it's a really popular item, but there are so many great things that she offers in her box. I had backups ready and I would have been happy with any of those. I did get all of my first choices. I was very happy about that. But even if I hadn't, I think I really would have enjoyed my backup choices. About a week ago, Jessica shared with us the first 2 spoilers for the Spring Goldie Boxed. The first option is for Gold Bears only. They get 1 exclusive customization choice, and it is a Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Treatment, which I'm really excited about because that was the one that I voted for. Gold Bears get to vote on a couple of the customizations for these boxes. They get to vote on the Gold Bear exclusives and the Silver Bear exclusives. The Silver Bear and Gold Bear exclusive for the spring box is going to be a pair of blue light glasses. There are 2 different frame styles and both styles look really nice. In that video, Jessica also announced that 12 of the YouTubers who did videos on her winter box were going to have the opportunity to share a spoiler on YouTube. I was really excited when she asked me if I would be one of the people to do that. I'll link below Jessica's video where she talks about those first 2 spoilers and where she lists all of the people that are going to be doing spoilers in their videos. So go check that out for sure. I'm also going to link below my winter box unboxing so you can see all the great things I got in my winter box. Now, I want to show you one of the spoilers for the spring box. This is from World Finds. It's the Interlocking Ripple Bracelet. It's a single band of hammered metal ripples. It's available in gold, silver, and copper. Subscribers who choose this customization get to choose the color that they want. It's a 1/4 inch at the widest point here, and then it's 2.5 inches in diameter. It's sustainably made by women artisans in India. This website says that these sell for $13 each and that they are meant for layering. And I agree, these are great for layering. Another thing I love about these is these are so easy to put on. I hate when I struggle with a bracelet latch, but that's not going to happen with these. If you choose this as one of your customizations and really love it, you can go on the website and get the other 2 colors, or you can layer with some of your favorite bracelets that you already own. So they do layer beautifully, not only together, but you can put them with some of your other bracelets. I've got these 2 from 4 Ocean that I think would look really cool layered with this. See if I can just slip them on real quick and show you what I mean. I think those look really cool together. And I also have this bracelet that I got in another subscription box that I think would look great with these World Find bracelets. Oh yeah, I think that's a great look. Let me tell you a couple of really cool things about World Finds. They are a Fair Trade Federation partner and a Green America certified business. I got this card along with these bracelets that tells about the business also. Let me get my glasses so I can read this. These little tags on here say World Finds, and then on the inside it says, this beauty is handcrafted using traditional techniques mixed with modern design elements, and it provides dignified work to women in need. Feel good. Then here is one of the women that they are spotlighting. World Finds works with hundreds of artisans like Kanchan, and it has a picture of her here on a little card. And it says, learn more about the makers at their website. Handmade in India, fair trade, and sustainable. World Finds is a proud member of the Fair Trade Federation and Green America. Your purchase empowers women, sends gifts to schools, and transforms community. Thank you for making a difference. And one of the cool things I read on this card here is it said, these designs tell stories. Many styles use repurposed sari and kantha fabrics, so they're incredibly sustainable as well as ethical. And they show these different accessories and pieces of jewelry that are made from these cloth beads and pieces of fabric that are recycled fabric that these women use in India to make this beautiful jewelry and accessories. I just think that this is a wonderful company. I'm so happy that Jessica chose this spoiler for me to share. She knows how I love a good backstory on a brand and how I love brands that pay it forward and do good in the world, and this is one of those. So this is one of the choices for the Spring Goldie Boxed. If you are not subscribed to Goldie Boxed, please go to the Goldie Boxed website. I'll have that link down below, and subscribe. The selections for customizations will be on March 20th, so if you want to get in on the customizations for March, make sure that you subscribe by March 20th. And I'll have Jessica's website and my unboxing website linked below, so if you want to take a look at those, they'll be there too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.